Hi there. John here from Romania, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a strategy that can make easily for you $100 per day with small work. But before I show you the strategy, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button and comment down below. So let me show you the first site named appplus.com. Here you are going to earn real money and it is very easy. This site have more than 1000 CPA offers, and let me explain to you what CPA offers is. CPA, it cost per action. So you need to come over to the site and search something like make money online and you will find different offer that you need to promote. Relax, because you do not need to sell anything. There are a lot of sites that ask for name and email and it is absolutely free, and guess what? All of them are about making money online. You can open 10 different offers per day, preview the landing page. Pay attention, if you are from Romania you need a free VPN to show the offer right. Join the network and you will have the affiliate link. Now what you are going to do with this affiliate links? I am going to give you two ways to promote this. First one, it is very easy but not so professional. Go to Linktree and create a free account. Now here you can add a lot of links and with a good title, and after that go in Facebook groups related to this niche. Go to Twitter, go to Quora.com because it is the best site for talking about some topic. Create an account with Google, it is free and very easy, and come here and search for make money online and so on. You find conversation and you can comment on all of those conversations. Do not just leave your Linktree there. Try to say something helpful for those person, and after that you can paste that link there. The second way, it is to create very simple Google alert. Google will email you when a fresh blog post it is on Google and you can comment there. But I would suggest you to create a very simple article of yourself and hyperlink those affiliate link in Google Docs with some word. Publish the article on SlideShare and after that take that link. Go to bit.ly.com, make that link short and go every day in a new blog post and comment something value. After something value, leave your article link and a lot of people will read it and click on that links. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked my video, hit that like button and comment down below. Take a tour of my channel and you may find some things useful. You can consider subscribing. I wish you all the best.